What's going on, guys? It's Raf here, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing my new keyboard. Wait, let me just put it down. The Razer Black Widow Ultimate. And so yeah, I'm just going to be unboxing it. First I'll read the stuff to you guys. So basically, I don't know what all this means, but I'll read it to you. It says mechanical switches with 50G actuation force, 60 million keystroke lifespan, individually backlit keys, 10 key rollover anti-ghosting, fully programmable keys on the fly, macro recording, 5 additional dedicated macro keys, gaming mode option, audio out, and mic in jacks. So basically that's all that it says. And quick sound test before I unbox it. It sounds beautiful. That clicky feeling is amazing. So right now I'm gonna go get a knife and scissors and let's open this baby up. Okay, I got my knife and my scissors and let's open it. Let me go like this so you guys can see the work. Center it more.
Alright, so maybe we can do it like this. Oh yeah, we can just peel it off, nice. Okay, so there's one thing left. Let's peel this. Alright, that's easier than I thought. So now let's open this up. And now open that up. No. Is there another thing here? Maybe there is. How do I open this thing? I'm looking for parts. Oh, maybe it's in this. Yeah, so it slides out. Alright, so it's pretty bad.
Camera angle, I'm sorry. So I'm just sliding the box thing out right now. It's, holy shit, it's huge. So here's the box. Here's the box. Nothing in here. So let's put it on the floor. And bam. Yo. Look how nice this looks, guys. Look how beautiful this looks. This is so nice. So let's take out this plastic part. Oh, that looks so nice, dude. Let's do another quick sound test. Basically, this is going to be the keyboard I'm going to use forever. So let's open some stuff. Maybe there's some stickers or something. There should be stickers. Do you think there's anything in here? Highly doubt it, but let's see. No, yeah, there's nothing in there. Probably just empty boxes. Let's take out the keyboard. And I got this at Best Buy for around $100. Isn't so bad. Here's their little package thing. How would I take it? Oh, here's the huge cable. Holy shit. What a huge cable. And then this is just another garbage box. And then yeah, so this is the overall keyboard right here. And it lights up green. I didn't get the chroma, that's way too expensive for me. So it's a small keyboard, to be honest. Fits my desk nicely, which is great. So here's the little package that it comes with. Maybe some stickers and some instructions. Yeah, here's 2 Razer stickers. I'll put that somewhere. Here's information guides. Here's quick start guide, and here's the actual thing. So hopefully you guys did enjoy that. And I'm gonna plug it in now and show you guys what it looks like.
Hold up. Headshot. Sit down. Stand up.
Nigga, why you babysitting? Only 2 or 3 shots. I'ma show you how to turn it up a notch. First you get a swimming pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. Pool full of liquor, then you dive in